So Snapchat just gapped up 27% today. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions, and let's go ahead and talk about it. Snapchat is up 27.46% after beating and completely exceeding market's expectations. So if we look at this on the 30-minute time frame, you can kind of get a bigger picture, kind of perspective of how insane this move is. So why exactly did Snapchat move like this? Well, Snapchat had an expectation for their earnings per share of negative 26 cents per share, actually to lose money. Not only did they not lose money, but they saw a gain of 3 cents per share. The revenue was expected to be 1.12 billion. They came in at 1.2 billion, also beating expectation. The biggest thing that I want you to understand about this is that this pretty much just really encourages and raises the expectation for Q2 of Snapchat for 2024. Now, they beat expectation and overall revenue due to overall growth. And it's one thing that they shared here that Snapchat says that its business was improving faster than expected due to upgrades in its ads and higher demand for features that help brands drive sales on website clicks. Pretty much, they have more efficient ways that businesses can run ads on their platform, and they're actually seeing the returns that they actually want, which again is great for something like Snapchat that has been somewhat of a struggling social media platform, right? If we look at this on the day chart, we went from, let's even look at the week chart. At one point, we were trading at $83 per share. We sold off to lows of 7. Now we're trading at 14. Now, you guys let me know down in the comment section. Do we think that this is an overreaction and the market's going to end up correcting itself, so a potential short opportunity? Or do you think that this is the beginning for Snapchat to work its way back up from $14 all the way back up to $83 a share? So you guys let me know down below. Also, one of the trades that I took this morning is shorting Tesla. So I opened up a quick little short as it got rejected off of the moving average during our live trading session today. Friendly reminder, my team gets to watch me trade live every morning. If you ever want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below. But once it got rejected, I opened short, and then just like it did during the pre-market session, my goal was to work towards covering my short, so locking in profits at the previous support range right around 168. And that's exactly what I did. When I came back to retest, I covered my profit. It did sell off a little bit more, but again, there's no such thing as a perfect trade or a perfect trader. So I'm happy that I took profits because now it gapped back up, and now I'm setting up for my next short on Tesla if we get confirmation of this thing actively selling off. The other one that I also want to bring up is I did open up short on coin. I view it to be a little bit more on the overbought side, and because of that, I see there to be pullback potential. This trade does not have to go according to plan, and I'm currently down about $200 to $300. So just being open with you guys, this is the only open position that I currently have on the only active short position that I currently have right now on this Friday. So very excited to follow up. And it looks like also Google, right? Google hit highs of 16% yesterday. I ended up shorting it when it hit highs of 16%. And when it pulled on back, it hit lows of 8% today. So it sold off and lost about 6 to 7% of its value. And it was so great to see. And our LPP team did their part in locking in profits as well. Remember, if you're a complete beginner and you have trouble, you definitely do not have to have a bunch of free videos on YouTube that you're more than welcome to check out. But if you feel like you learn better by watching other people do, just like me, I think that my live trading sessions would be of great value for you. You get to see all of my entries and all of my exits. And again, it's a one-time payment, and right now it's 50% off. So if you're ready to sign up, the second link in the description down below will get you just that. Access to LPP, so you can watch me trade live as soon as Monday, right when the market opens. And again, if you have any questions whatsoever, either comment down below or shoot me a DM via Discord or via Instagram. That is also linked in the description of this video. I appreciate your time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing Friday. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.